So the previous code, let's take, I am removing. And now I want only one particular trigger on my account object, and there I want if number of child contact is greater than 0. Okay, if number of child contact for a particular account is greater than 0, I mean if it is having at least one child contact, at least one, and you are trying particular account record, okay, in that case you will be getting one error, like cannot be, I mean you cannot delete the account because it is it is having some associated child with it. I'm repeating the scenario again. If you are trying to delete an account record and if that particular account is having some child contact associated with it, you will not be able to delete that account. So can you tell me like which event shall I use here?
Delete, before delete and after delete.
No, why after delete?
You said you want to delete the child or the parent?
Yeah.
So parents.
You are trying to delete the account record, and if the account is having some child contact with it, you will not be able to delete that account.
So before delete?
Yes, before delete on which object?
On account.
Account object, yes. So here I am writing before delete. Okay, trigger SCC trigger on account before delete, and here I am checking some scenario if trigger dot is it and trigger dot is okay. So I am checking if it is a delete scenario and if it is a before scenario. Then in that case, let's take, I am calling one method. Let's take method name is method1. That name is up to you. You can use any method, right? And it is a delete scenario, so it has to be what? Trigger.old. Trigger is clear?
Yes.
Okay, now I have to write this method one over here. Public static void method one. And there in the method one, what shall I pass as a parameter? List of
account.
List of account. Right. So currently in the ACC list, what you are having? You are having only those account records where
we want to delete.
Right?
Yes.
Now, can you tell me a way how can I get number of child contact? Is a procedure. If you see, there is a way that is subquery. From the account, you can query the child contact as well. But for that, I have to grab the account ID from this ACC list. So now I am taking set of ID, ACC IDs, new set of ID, and I am looping over that particular ACC list, account ACC list. I'm looping over that ACC list, that account and delete.
Sumi, can I ask one question?
Yes, sure.
You said because IDs are unique, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
Okay. But why I do not, why I need that set of ID? Because currently you are deleting the account, so that one you can easily track by using ACC list. But from that list,
yes,
to form a particular set that will be containing that those account IDs that you are trying to delete. That one you are getting ACC IDs. Now you will write a map of ID comma account. Take map name is a map equals to new map of ID comma account. So normally I have shown you a procedure how can you write a SQL query and you can get a list of object records. Now there is also one way how you can write a SQL query and you will get a map of ID comma object. So in that case you have to write the query inside of this primary bracket. Here you can write select ID, let's take name from which accounts where ID in ACC IDs. So currently what you are getting only those account records where the account ID belongs to these ACC IDs, where the account ID is the key and the whole account record is the value. But here I have to count total number of child as well. How can you do that? You can write a subquery, select ID from contacts. So this is what? This is a subquery. Like normally I am writing this. Suppose I am writing this query in my query editor. Let's understand this query. Like normally I am writing this. This is a single account record, first row, account ID, account name, and contact. How many contacts are there? Contacts? You can see here, right? But actually, if you see, it's nothing but a list of contact, right? This contacts, it is what? A list of contact. 2 contact record are there under this account. For this account, 0 contact record are there. For this account, 1 contact record are there. So this is what? This is a list of contact record. I mean, this particular contacts, it is what? A list of contact. Right? Now, currently, if you want to throw a error, on which account you will be throwing the error? You will be throwing the error over that ACC list, because that ACC list only you are trying to delete, right? You are trying to delete that ACC list only. So if you have to throw the error on the account, that account has to belong from this ACC list. So here I am writing for account ACC list. I'm looping over that, and I'm checking if ACC dot contacts dot size, if it is greater than 0, then only I'm writing ACC dot add error. Here I'm throwing the error, cannot delete count as it has associated contacts. So you are looping over that particular ACC list, those accounts that you are trying to delete, and no, this way you cannot do. You have to write a map dot get ACC dot ID dot contacts. Okay, what I am doing? You are looping over that ACC list. Suppose this ACC is containing the first account record. Let's take this account you are trying to delete. So ACC is containing this account record. But currently, you have to track down. Currently, ACC, suppose this account record you are trying to delete. So how will you know this particular account is having how many contact with it? That one you are already tracking over here in the A map. So currently in the A map, you are having the account ID as a key and the account record as a value. And under the account record, you have a list of contact from where you can count the total number of contact. So you are looping over that ACC list, and then you are writing amap.get ACC ID. So from the map, if you write amap.get acc.id, I mean, you are passing that account ID as a key. So what will you get ultimately? You will be getting that account record, right? For that account record, you have this contacts node. This contacts node is ultimately what? This contacts node is ultimately list of contact. This is what? List of contact. This contacts node I am using here. Contacts. So if that particular list of contact size is greater than 0, I mean if the contact list is containing more than 0 element, in that case you are throwing an error over that particular acc.add error you are writing, and there you are writing cannot delete account as it has associated contacts. Right. Now this is a particular account which is having 2 contacts. So if you try to delete, see, cannot delete account at it has associated contacts. So this is the same error message whatever you are throwing from your trigger from here, right? And how you are doing that? First of all, whenever you are trying to delete, your trigger is calling this is delete is before, and your trigger is passing that account record as a parameter. Okay, so that account record ID you are storing here in the ACC IDs, and based on that, what you are doing, you are querying from the database with the subquery, I mean with the child contact with it. Select ID name, comma, select ID from contacts where, contacts from account where the ID in ACC IDs. So you are going to contain or you are going to retrieve only those account records where the account ID belongs to that ACC IDs. Now the error over this ACC list, because ACC list is only those accounts that you are trying to delete from database. So if you have to throw the error, you have to throw the error over that ACC list, right? So I'm writing here amap.get. Currently in the amap you are having the account ID along with the account record. So amap.get acc.id, it is getting you that particular account record, and under that account record you have that contacts node that is containing list of contact. Dot size, it will give you what? How many child contacts are associated with it. So if the number of child contact is greater than 0, if the list size is greater than 0 means what? It has more than, it has at least one contact associated with it. In that case, over that ACC, I am going to throw the error. Is it clear? I got.
Yes, it is clear. For sub circle, we can select IDs from not contact. We can select from opportunity as well, right?
Yeah,
It is same.
you can do the check for opportunity as well. It is also fine.
Okay.
I'm thinking what is the other scenarios you can go with. Okay, can you do the same thing with account with opportunities and let me know if I am trying to update, if I am trying to delete an account which has more than, which has child opportunity with closed on, okay, or with a child opportunity with, let me see, I mean, if a particular account you are trying to delete, and if that particular account is having a particular opportunity with a stage of proposal slash price quote. If a particular account is having at least one opportunity with proposal slash price quote, and you are trying to delete that account, you will not be able to delete it. Same trigger on the account object with before delete, but now instead of contact, you have to work with opportunity. And there is one opportunity that the stage has to be proposal slash price quote. So can you do it? Do it now and go through the code. No issues. If you want to see the logic, only some minor changes will be there.
I think we will change the opportunity contact with opportunities here, contact with opportunities, and then for the
Yeah, if the
like
account is
solution.
having one child opportunity with a stage of proposal slash price quote, okay,
Yes,
you will not be able to
we
delete
should
that account.
use like and operation, right?
Sorry,
We should use and it should have at least one opportunity, and
I mean at least one,
it should
at least one.
at
That means
least
here also the
one.
child, I mean
Okay,
child opportunities, this side should, I mean if it is greater than 0, then you will be able to throw the error. But the condition is opportunity stage has to be proposal or price quote.
contact. So we use same as if amap.get acc.id dot opportunity dot stage equals like double equals what was the stage proposal and price code, then it gives error, same error.
I mean you just do it. You just do it in your own.
Okay, okay, give me some time. Some time. Another class.
You just try it in your own work now and just let me know.
I'm writing
Yeah,
that
yeah.
now.
Do that.
Just give me some time. You want me to do from the beginning or the second part is okay?
No. You just change it.
Okay. I'm writing from the beginning because
If you want, you can share your screen as well.
find this,
Mhm.
that opportunity.
Okay, one thing you missed in the SQL queries, that whenever you are writing a subquery, it has to be in plural, right? It should be opportunities, not opportunity.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Good.
That stage, it was stage, right?
No, opportunities is a list of opportunity. How can you check the stage? Opportunities,
From the map,
it should be size.
size
Yeah, size.
bigger than 0 and stage, same thing, I guess we have to. It was stage.
No, you cannot write your stage directly. Stage is a field under opportunity object. And if you see, you're trying to write dot stage under opportunities. Opportunities is not containing stage. Opportunities is containing opportunity in it. Right? Actually,
Oh,
what you have to do in the subquery where you have written from opportunities, right? There you have to write a condition. Select ID from opportunities in the subquery.
from here,
Yeah, there you have to write a condition. No, that is same. Go to that line number 9 and think about the logic. In the subquery only, you have to make some change. Don't remove it as it is.
Okay, stage. Select stage from
The field name is stage
opportunities.
name, not stage.
Stage name.
Yeah, and you have to query the ID as well. ID comma stage name. ID comma stage name. ID
Here?
stage name. No,
No, here or
yeah. You have to
okay.
query the ID as well. And still it is not completed. You have to check in line number 9. I said you have to check if the
For subsequent
stage is closed down or whatever. Let's take proposal or something. So how can you check that condition? The stage of the opportunity.
um
By using where condition. How think? How can you use your where?
from here
Yeah, how can you
select
use your where condition? Right?
we use when here
Yeah. Why you are thinking outside of the primary bracket? Think about inside.
here
Yeah. Think
select stage and then from opportunity where uh, stage
stage name.
stage name
Yes.
is
No, stage name.
I'm missing your
Stage name
voice.
equals. There is no like.
Okay, equals.
Mhm.
It was
The
closed
value
one
proposal
or
slash what is the value? Let's try by closed down.
propose proposal and there was something else.
Yeah, that was proposal or something was there. You can, as of now, you can try by using closed down.
Okay,
Closed on. WON.
closed one, so that they won the opportunity. Okay, in here we get the number of opportunities. If it is bigger than zero, so it is at least they have one. And if opportunities opportunity dot stage name, right, equals
No, why you are checking?
closed one.
You are already doing that check in the subquery. Right? You are doing the subquery already. So you do not have to write that and condition in line number 11. In the
Okay,
you don't have to do that and condition check.
okay,
Yeah. Close the bracket. Primary bracket you are missing after 0. And throw the error.
okay. So you want to uh,
Throw the error. ECC dot error.
ACC dot error.
And write the error of your own. Now add error. Not only error. Right? Add error. ADD capital E double R O.
Okay,
Add error. Then inside of the quotation write that particular error. Like opportunity is something
okay,
that is your own.
Is that okay?
That's it.
Mm-hmm.
So give me the access once.
Because, excuse me?
I have asked you for the request.
Okay, I did.
Yeah, this part should be clear up to this part, right? You are getting that account IDs.
Yes, yes,
Okay,
yes, this is
okay,
clear.
okay. You are
That
missing
one is
out the
very clear.
bracket.
Mhm.
Here you need another bracket. So here, what you are doing? You are getting the child opportunity if the stage name is closed on, right?
Yes, yes.
It will give you the child opportunity where the stage is closed on. That means if this child opportunity list size is greater than 0, you have to throw the error, right?
Mhm. Yes.
What is the error? Okay, there should not be any error. Check for your other handler class as well.
Okay, I will. So this like exclamation mark means a mistake, right?
Let me do a check little bit.
Oh, I find that mistake. This should be 0.
Yeah, sometimes
I
what
put
happens,
O.
if you are opening your multiple Apex class, just a second, and you are not checking through the errors, it will keep repeating the errors again and again. Okay, here you have to pass acc.id. Okay, you are passing acc.id, that's fine. Should be static.
Static, yes.
Get, get contacts. Okay, you just look into this particular error. From
It is gone. It is gone now from here.
yeah, these errors are appearing due to the other classes. Just look into that.
Okay.
Yeah, this way you can do. I think we are good. You have got
Okay, thank you so much.
you have got it right. What I'm trying to say.
I missed your voice.
Yeah, I'm saying
Can you
like you
say
have got it
again,
right how
please?
to do this kind of things. I mean, how we can
Thank you.
particular subquery, how we can work with the subqueries.
Mhm.
Just do
I will
a bit practice, okay?
review all. Yes, I will. I will do practice.
Yeah, okay. Okay, then I guess then for today we can wrap up.
Okay, thank you so much,
Thank you.
and have a good night.